How to log in to your ASB Auckland Savings Bank credit card account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to asb.co.nz. Now on this web page, you want to select your bank account type, then click on the login option. Once you're here, you want to enter your username, then enter your password. Now, if you want your details to be remembered, check this box that says Remember Me. Now click on the Login option. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on the second link over here. Depending on your account, you may also be prompted to complete an additional authentication step for security purposes. Once you have been logged into your account, you simply want to head over to the dashboard, and there you want to click on the option of credit card. From there, you will be able to view your transactions, make payments, check your balance, and perform other account management activities. Now, you can also apply for a new credit card from there. All you have to do is click on the option of Apply Online, then follow the on-screen prompts, and then you will be able to apply for a new credit card. Or you can visit a branch or book an appointment to apply for a credit card. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.